Anyway, guys, I'm back with another Forza Horizon 5 video today. And in today's video, it's more like evenings or night times video. Especially depending on when I upload this and with how dark it is getting outside. In today's video, I will be doing a free roam in this car, Lamborghini Sesto Elemento Forza Edition. Anyway, here's the 360 of it for you guys. Here. Okay, that's better. But anyway, for those that do not know, I have made a ramp jump video in this car back like a year ago, maybe just less than a year, or maybe just over a year ago. So I decided, why not make a free roam video in this? And last week I made a ramp jump video in the Huracan STO, which I just got recently. And next week at some point I'm planning on making a free roam video in that car as well. And the funny thing is, since Forza Horizon 5 was the last game I played, I was just whipping around my STO the last time I played it. I did not start out at my house on here where I usually start at. Remember my Forza Horizon 4 tunnel run series I did? For all of you OG fans. This was like a few years ago that I used to make those. Those were fun. Going through that tunnel made me just think of that. Pretty funny. Pretty funny. Up. Well, I'm back near my house, where I usually start from. That's pretty funny. What are the odds of that I end up near my usual start location for these videos? Anyway, I'm gonna end my video right here today, / this evening, this free roam video. Anyway, I almost forgot to do my outro, but anyway, if you guys enjoyed this video, hopefully you guys like, comment, and subscribe and turn on post notifications. I always love making these free roam videos, get to explore the map a little bit. And for those that like the game too, or that even don't like the game, can get to see what the game is like as well, and get to see some scenery and stuff. I never know where I will end up going, taking my cars to when I play, and it's so fun to just explore. And it's another way to do it by making videos for you guys. But anyway, Everyday Andrew out. Peace.